Mmhmm. This recipe might be simple, but it's by no means a quick recipe. We're jumping straight into the process. So, all the measurements for the ingredients used here will be posted in the full recipe on the website. Now, I thought I could have used a potato masher to crush these tomatoes, but I quickly found out that was a waste of time. So I decided to wash a wine bottle and use that to crush them. It have anything more Italian than using a wine bottle to crush some tomatoes? I think not. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil to a pot. About 8 cloves of garlic minced. About 1 tablespoon of butter. As you can see here, my pot was a little too hot, so the garlic started to get a little brown. Ideally, you don't want this to happen. You want to saute the garlic, but not to the point where it starts to burn. So maintain a medium heat. I have 3 large eggplant here, cubed. You want to make sure that you use small cubes because we want the eggplant to break down and form a sauce. Essentially, we're making an eggplant bolognese. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the crushed tomatoes. You want to add some fresh basil. Basically, the amount of basil you add is up to you and your taste. Depends on how herby or basil-y you want your dish. I went for a whole heap of basil here because I love basil. Add a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I added 2 bay leaves for fragrance and depth of flavor. Give that a mix, cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While the bolognese is simmering away, let's grill some eggplant to make the layers. You want to cut a large eggplant into thin slices. Use butter or oil to grease your pan or griddle and cook until golden brown on both sides. After 20 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste for a more concentrated, robust tomato flavor. Now, if any of the mixture is stuck to the bottom of the pot, be sure to use some liquid. I use water, but you could use some red wine here to deglaze the pot. You don't want to miss out on all that great flavor that's stuck to the bottom of the pot. Now it's time to layer this lasagna. Start off with a bit of sauce on the base and then sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Of course, you could use cheddar cheese here if you like, it's all good. Goat cheese is really good in this as well. Add a layer of the grilled eggplant and continue this process until the dish is filled. You want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Now I had to let this cool before attempting to cut it so I could get a semi-decent final shot. So if you could exercise some restraint, wait for it to cool thoroughly, but if not, feel free to dig in. It's good and mash up, but it'll taste just as great. And well, as my grandmother used to say, it's good and mash up in your mouth anyway. If you like this recipe, make sure to give it a like, give it a share, and leave a comment below. And if you try it out, make sure to share your photos with us on Instagram and Facebook. You can tag me on IG at BadawiBuy and tag eatahfood on IG at eatahfoodtt. Until the next one, peace.